Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A four stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, September the 22nd, 2023. Already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. Three puzzles are left: binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the four stars Sudoku. Four star Sudoku number 7143. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. And it's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star Sudoku, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 2 3 threes, 2 fours, 2 5 3 fives, 1 6, 1 7, 4 eights. Alright, and 1 9, 2 nines. Okay, so the 8s are in majority. Can I start with 8? Yes. 8 in this last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Eight. Need 8 here. Well, cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. Let me see. 4. I need a 4. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this row. First row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 marks. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Then, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there in the middle column. Here or there, we see another 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. How about the 1? Oh, we have 4 ones. Oh, overlooked. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1. Apologies. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. We have a pair here with the 4. Need a 1 there. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between. Middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 1. How about the 4 now? 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, okay. 4, 4. And let me see. 7 and the 5. 7 and 5. Well, need a 5 here. Six, 5, 9. Need a 5 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. Okay. And now. Let me see. 7 and 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5. 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. How about this box in the middle column? 1 box left. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 7 here. Okay. 7. 7. 7, 2, 3. 2, 3, and the 8 is missing here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. So the 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 2. Alright. 7. And the 3 here. Need a 3 there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 and 8 in the first column, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then. Let me see. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Need a 9 here. Need a 8 here. 8. Need a 4 here. And I need a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. We have a 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. How about 8? No. 8, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. Then look, we have 7 and 8 in this row. So no 7, 8 in this box. 7, 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2 then. Alright, 2, 2. I believe we have also a pair. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column. The 2 and a 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 and the 3 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this row. So no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8. 9 is missing, 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. 5. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left. 6 and the 9, let me mark those. Alright, here we have a pair. Here should be also 6 and a 9. Alright. 1 box left in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. Need a 4 here. Here, 2 missing numbers. The 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9 are missing. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 9. 9, 9. Okay. And what is 7 then? No 7 there. Come on. 9, 9. 5, 5. But a 2. 2. Yeah, I'm thinking. Need an 8 here. How about the 3? 3. What about the 3? No. 6 and a 9. Well, 9 could be here, or there. Oh, 2 and a 9. Overlook this 9. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So here we have a 2. Here we have a 9. But it's not helping me. Okay. 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. Yeah, The 4 and the 5 in this column. The 4 and the 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 4 now in this last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 8 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 4. About the 5. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Yes, this is number 3, number 5. How about the 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. Can I count? And all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 2. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. Last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 7 goes there. Let me see. Yeah, 6 and a 9 in the first column. Row, not column. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 now in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars. No, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And like this one, yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.